It's an unavoidable factor for life that sofas get dirty. When we hang out with a family in living room watching television, sometimes we spill liquid, crumbs get into the cracks, and if you will avoid it, you're definitely giving an open invitation to the cockroaches. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can keep our sofas clean, which is quite an easy task. For it, you just need your patience, time, and some great ingredients which you can very easily find them inside your kitchen. So I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel Organizopedia. If I talk about myself at my place, I have this upholstered sofa where I'm sitting right now, and from where I shoot most of my videos. I'll show you my weekly and monthly cleaning routine of how I clean the sofa. So this is the first category, which is the upholstered sofa, and a lot of you might have this upholstered sofa at your place. The second category is the wooden sofa. So you get the frame which is made out of wooden, like the armrests are made out of wood, and the sitting and the cushion, back cushion and the sitting portion is made out of upholstery. So that is the second category. The third and the last category is the sofa, the complete sofa, the armrest, the back portion, the sitting area, all of it made out of the pure leather. Sometimes it is made out of a fox leather or a red sea. So these are the three categories. I'm going to divide them into three categories and I'll show you how you can clean all the three types of sofas at your home. So let's get into the video now.
So for the first one, we need an empty glass, baking soda, surgical spirit, hydrogen peroxide, an empty spray bottle, and dish detergent. So first of all, I'm going to take this empty glass. Here I'm going to add like 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Then to baking soda, I'm going to add like 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide solution, and you can very easily find this hydrogen peroxide in your nearby chemist shop. Just add it to the baking soda, and here you can see it will instantly change its color to yellow. Stir it properly. Next, I'm going to add this 1/3 cup of surgical spirit, and this surgical spirit also you can find very easily in any chemist shop. And at last, I will add like 4 to 5 drops of dish detergent and stir it properly. Make sure there will be no lumps left in the solution. Take a spray bottle and pour this mixture into the spray bottle with the help of a funnel. Shake the solution well before you use it on your sofas. Just spray this DIY solution all over your upholstered sofa. Now if I will talk about myself, this is my monthly cleaning routine. Once in a month, I like to spray this DIY solution all over my sofa before I go to bed, so that it will dry overnight. So after spraying, I like to take the scrubber, and with the help of scrubber, I scrub it all over the sofa to make sure there will be no dust particle or the baking soda residue left on the surface. And the next morning, I take my vacuum cleaner. With the help of it, I vacuum clean it. So in this video, I'm just going to only give you the demonstration of all the 3 kinds of sofa, like how to clean them, but I'll not show you the full cleaning procedure, otherwise this video would be too long. And if you find that there are still some baking soda residue left on the surface, then take a wet microfiber cloth and with the help of it, just clean it to make sure there will be no white residue left on the sofa. So to make the polish, we need beeswax, olive oil, some essential oil and an empty glass container. Cut the wax in half. Then with the help of a double boiler, we are going to melt this wax. Now take the glass jar and take half cup of olive oil. Pour the olive oil into the glass jar and add around 4 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil. I have used here lavender one, and then pour this wax into the olive oil, and you should be very quick at this point. Stir the whole solution, and within like 1 or 2 minutes the wax will get freeze and your polish will be ready.
To clean your wooden sofas, first of all you need to take a wet cloth, wipe down all the wooden portion of the sofa to make sure that there is no dust particle left on the wood surface.
After cleaning it with the wet cloth, just open the jar and take out the little bit of this polish On a kitchen paper towel, you can even use muslin cloth or the microfiber cloth. Just apply it all over the wooden surface and let it sit for good 20 to 30 minutes. So this beeswax will restore the shine of the wood, and the olive oil which we have used will add the extra moisture to prevent it from further cracking or drying out. After 30 minutes, use a clean cloth to clean the excess wax from the wood, and this is how you can clean the wooden sofa.
Tried very hard, but I didn't find a leather or a fox leather sofa nearby my place, not even my neighbor. I didn't find it. So I have this bean bag which is made out of a fox leather. So I'm going to show you how you can clean that bean bag, which actually is the same process you're going to follow for the leather or for the fox leather sofas. So let's see how we can clean the last category also.
So for this you need Vaseline and coconut oil in the ratio of 1:1. I'm just simply going to clean the bean bag, that is why I have taken a very less quantity. I'm going to show you both how to clean the genuine and the fox leather. So next I'm going to take a little bit of this mixture into the microfiber cloth, let it sit for like good 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe down it with the help of a wet cloth. This is how you can clean the fox leather. And to clean the genuine leather, I'm just simply dabbing the solution with the help of a tissue paper all over the leather surface. Let it sit for like good 15 to 20 minutes, and then if you find that there's still some wax left on the surface, then take the dry cloth and clean it. Do not use wet one.
So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked it. And one more thing, I'm so sorry that I was not able to post video from last 1 or 2 months. 1 या 2 महीना नहीं. I guess सब लोग agree करेंगे कि this whole year, this 2018, पूरा साल, I was not at all consistent on uploading videos. So there were so many things which were actually going on in my life from January, and I don't know कब तक होने वाला है. जब तक होता रहेगा, जब तक मैं नए घर में शिफ्ट नहीं हो जाती हूँ, ये सारी चीजें चली आ रही हैं. So उस वजह से I am not getting time to फोकस ऑन यूट्यूब. नहीं तो मैं वीडियोस फिल्म कर पा रही हूँ, ना मैं सोच पा रही हूँ आगे की क्या वीडियो आने वाला है. दैट इज व्हाई इट्स डिलेड. और आप सब लोगों को मैं आंसर भी इसीलिए नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे लिटरली टाइम नहीं मिल पाता कि मैं बैठूं या कुछ देखूं या कुछ करूं. ये दिस वीडियो विच यू गोइंग टू सी टुडे, ये मैं फिल्म करने के लिए ट्राई कर रही हूँ फ्रॉम लास्ट 1.5 month, बट आई एम सीरियसली नॉट गेटिंग टाइम to film this video. That is why इतना delay हो गया है. So I'm so sorry for that, but from today onwards I'll try to be more regular, more punctual, and क्योंकि अभी भी मेरा इंटीरियर का वर्क is going on in full swing, तो हो सकता है कि कभी मिस हो जाए वीक में एक बार, मंथ में 1 या 2 बार. तो उसके लिए अभी से मैं आपसे एडवांस में सॉरी बोल रही हूँ, क्योंकि I know you guys want to see me. आप लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैं अपना वीडियो कब पोस्ट कर रही हूँ. मुझे भी बहुत गिल्टी फील होता है that what I'm doing, why I'm not filming and posting videos on YouTube, because this is the thing which I like the most. So I'll try to be more regular, more punctual, and जो भी सब interiors का काम हो रहा है, I'm just planning to make a whole series on how you can actually plan for interiors if you're going to renovate your home or you're buying a new house, how you can do interiors for that on a budget. So I mean, like, you have to wait for it till October. So that is that, and this is all for today's video. And the winners from the last video is you're going to see the names at the last of this video. So stay tuned for it. And this is all for today's video. So bye bye, I'll see you next time.